Students, let's learn today the passive voice of sentences in simple present, simple past and simple future. You know, in simple present we use subject and verb first form. In simple past we use subject and verb second form. No helping verb is used in affirmative case. Therefore, you have to look for the main verb. If the main verb is in present tense, we use is, am, are and verb third. And if main verb is in past tense, we use was or were and verb third form. Rest of the rules remain same as I have discussed in the previous videos. Let's take simple future. Here you get the helping verb. So we take the same helping verb will or shall and we add be after that. Will or shall plus be plus verb third form. So students, you can see these examples. Physics is studied by her, physics was studied by her, physics will be studied by her. You can see in all these three tenses there is minor difference. Only the use of is, was or will be is changing it from present to past or future. So be careful. You remember, you should not change the tense and the meaning of the given sentence in the active voice. Now, passive voice with modal auxiliaries. You know that modal auxiliaries include can, could, may, might, should, would, must and ought to. The structure of an active sentence using modal auxiliaries is subject plus modal auxiliary plus verb first. With modal auxiliaries we use verb first. So while changing a sentence with modal auxiliaries from active to passive, we use the same auxiliary verb as given in that active sentence. And the structure of the passive sentence using modal auxiliary should be subject plus modal auxiliary that has been used in that particular active sentence plus be and plus verb third. See these examples. He ought to finish his homework. He ought to finish what? His homework. So now his homework is the subject. Then we take the same auxiliary ought to plus be plus verb third. His homework ought to be finished. Or you take the second example. We might visit our grandparents this weekend. Visit whom? Our grandparents. So our grandparents subject, auxiliary given in this sentence is might. So our grandparents might plus be plus verb third. Then by agent, by us this weekend. So students, whatever auxiliary is given in that particular sentence, you will use the same. You will not change their form. If can is given, you can't change it into could. Whatever is written, that you have to copy. So you can see that only simple present and simple past in affirmative case don't have any helping verbs. Rest are having one or the other helping verb. So we should be careful while changing a sentence from active to passive to use the same helping verb or the same auxiliary verb as given in that active sentence. And the rule remains same with all. So students, I hope you have understood it well. You should revise these videos time to time and do